Join us for a quick roasting session on the Coffee Tech Engineering Ghibli R90. The roasting volume ranges anywhere from 30 kilograms to 90 kilograms. We're using the Coffee Tech green coffee loader with scale. All doors are pneumatically operated and calibrated by the second. Let's insert the beans and start roasting. The Ghibli R90 has 2 large monitors for adjusting every parameter during roasting. A subatmospheric roasting chamber allows full ambient autonomy and consistent roasting results, while protecting the roasting space from harmful emissions. All Coffee Tech roasters are equipped with key assisting features, including a magnifying lens, in-drum pressure gauge, roasting curve monitoring, and statoscope. Adjust and control each of the 2 burners with great accuracy. We invested in energy-saving tech and added advanced features to achieve a significant amount of gas savings, up to 40% compared to other popular roasting machines. The beans are evacuated in seconds, preventing any over-roasting. We developed the VoluMax cooling system, which uses air inlets in the cooling bath's outer walls to cool the beans evenly and quickly. For safety, agitation automatically stops when the door opens. Thank you for joining us for this session. See you next time.